Hey friends, if you're facing this error, I will show you simple method to fix it. First of all, drag your mouse to search box and type here regedit and click on run as administrator. Now simple expand the H key local machine. Now expand the software, scroll down little bit and here you can see the Microsoft option. Expand it, scroll down little bit, find the Windows folder. Here you can see the Windows folder, expand it. Now again scroll down little bit. Here you can see the current version. Simple expand this folder. Now scroll down little bit from here, expand the policy option. Here you can see. Now select the system folder and now follow the steps carefully. First of all, here you can see the enable LUA. Simple select like this and right click on it, click on modify option, and if your case showing 1 or 2, simple set the value 0 and click on OK and simple close this window and reboot your system. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.